here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon again. We're just at the base of Mount Hood off of Highway 26 here. We're really known for these Class B RVs, but something that a lot of people maybe don't know or don't think about is we're known for premium pre-owned inventory, and this is no exception. So this is a 2006 Pleasureway XL TS is the floor plan, so that means it's got a couch in the back that powers down to PU bed. Again, Pleasureway. We bring these in used in those early 2000 years quite a bit because they last. They are built so well up in Saskatoon, Canada, and you can just see the quality as you look into it. This particular one only has 50,000 miles. It's 5.0, but Nick, let's jump inside and take a look at the inside. Really not much to note here as far as any quality concerns or anything. You've got really nice front seats. You can just see that lack of use as far as wear and tear in the seats. You've got a microwave here, a little bit of storage up in the front, hard maple cabinetry, so it's really quality. You can just feel it in the woodwork. Nice big closet here. This is your table mount for the back. That's to fill in the little space when you do power down for the bed. Nice size wet bath in here, a nice window that does open as well, covered by that drape. And then kitchen across the way. Nice fridge in here. Oh, wrong way. But fridge down here, little freezer box, couple burners, and then couch set up back here. Super comfortable. I've had some customers purchase things like this for maybe just like baseball games with the kids. They just want somewhere dry to hang out between games, on tournaments, whatever. I would have loved that when I was a kid. But anyway, super nice, well thought out floor plan, really a good quality unit, even though it's a little aged, but again, we seek these out because we know that they last. So give us a call, let us know what questions we can answer for you. Again, it's SamH here, and if I'm unavailable, ask for Nick Urban. Thanks.